Oh, here we are. I I hope that we are live. Let me quickly check that connection is stable. Hi, Merry Christmas to you too. So it seems that everything works perfect now. Okay. Very nice. So yesterday, what I have done with euro dollar is I have taken the profits, as I have said. I hold it to one more high after the NFP basically, then I liquidate it. I will show the chart shortly, just a second. I think there still will be very nice trade on dollar in this week or maybe at the beginning of the next week. Very highly likely that the dollar will continue the downside and we will be able to catch this movement. I think this will be very nice and great movement. Just a second. Okay. Okay, I will be shortly telling you about my euro dollar. Just let me grab water. Oh, let's start. Okay, so euro dollar. What I have done yesterday on the live webinar, on the live session, I had the entry point from here. Price was struggling over there during the live webinar, and then during the NFP, and after the NFP, it slightly pushes higher. I took profit somewhere there. This was my profit taking area, and why I thought like that, or why did I take profit over there, was because I anticipated the pullback. Okay, I anticipated the pullback, and I knew, and it's logical, that this pullback which will appear will be deep, so it will take me out on the break even for nothing. So I should, and then this is the reason why I took the profits. If I wouldn't, then I would just give the money back to the market, and that is something that I don't want to do. I want to pay myself because I knew that the market will go into the deeper pullback, and if I will let it go into that deep pullback with my open position, it will either stop me out on break even because I placed my trade on break even over there. I didn't want to risk anymore on it. It will take me out with break even trade. And of course, there's another question. Yes, why shouldn't I leave my trade with the open stop loss? Because I would rather take my profit and then re-enter it again. It make much more sense because this time of holding over there needs to be paid. Okay, someone has to pay for my time, and I paid myself. I'm waiting. I honestly didn't go into that sell, but I could go in it. Okay, I could, but I didn't. I don't know why I'm not in this sell. Anyway, I could be, right? There was a nice reaction there at the top. I should have taken the trade, but I didn't. So never mind. I will definitely now watch this buy that is setting up for the last round of this year. I think this will be the last thing that I will be trading this year. It's a nice movement. This is the movement that I am going to go for. At least this kind of the movement for our. I don't believe this year we will have this movement to the upside. It won't be that aggressive, but definitely the price will probably stay summertime over there. And then I'm honestly anticipating a move to the upside. So this is where I'm placing my attention now. This is something that I would like to catch. Risk to reward ratio, it's amazing. It has nice money, nice profit is visible over there. I can see already the movement. I see the risk to reward ratio. The lag that is forming over there is amazing. I honestly don't see that the price will drop down. I really don't see currently as it stands right now. It does look like that, but I will not take the trade if there will be any aggressive movements. There, the price is kinda aggressive, but 1 hour it's trying to slow down anyway. I will observe. I will observe how the chart will be developing there today or maybe tomorrow. I don't know how fast it will be, how it's going to behave, but we'll definitely see what the price is about to do currently. Setup is amazing. Very nice and amazing setup. We will see. I'm willing to put my money over there in this movement over there. This is the time right now where I have to be patient, because if I will not be patient over there, and if I will be rushing in the trade, just wanted to open the trade, then I will make a problem. I will create a big problem over there for my consistently growing equity curve, because most traders couldn't stay from the sideways and patiently wait that the setup will complete itself. They're getting in way too early. Way too early. I will sit patiently over there. Definitely. If it is needed 2 days, I will be sitting 2 days. Because otherwise I will be just stressing myself. I would not see the clear move that is currently loading. then my vision will become blurry. And this is the one of the things that I have learned. If I sit patiently by not clicking, by not forcing myself, I will see much better the upcoming movement, because noise will confuse me. Before, while I was learning about trading, I thought that trading and trade, the more I will act, the more I will do some sort of managing trades, the better I will become. But that's not true, because what happened then was that I create a lot of noise. I create a lot of noise, and I basically talk myself out of the trade. And this is the biggest problem that happened to me back then when I was learning. So in this time, I learned that I shouldn't be making any noise. I have to patiently wait, patiently preparing myself for the setup that is about to be completed or that's about to develop, and then become aggressive. Then I have to push myself. Then I have to be without fear. Then I have to get into the trade simple. And this is very powerful stuff, or very powerful skill that I have learned as trader. Very good one. And I think that many traders needs to understand. Couple of traders are still don't understand me by the day to day when I'm talking about the psychology, when I'm talking about trades. But yeah, I do understand it, because if you don't have the experience, basically, I believe that you need to have a bad experience, negative experience, then you can understand, then you can evolve as a trader, then you can get better experience and so on. So that's funny. So this is the euro dollar will be definitely set up. Worth of risking the money over there. I would definitely monitoring it very closely. But even yesterday was as well good movement. Good move yesterday. All right, so let's go. Let's move forward a little bit. Euro dollar. I will delete this one. I don't want to have. Oop. I don't want to have a messy chart. But yeah, I'm not in the sell. Took profit on the buy, and now I'm patiently waiting on euro dollar to complete itself. Nothing there on New Zealand CAD currently. I think that this one will start pushing higher. This movement over there, it's kind of possible. This could be 1, 2, 3, very possible movement. Still, I don't have setup. I will not be trading because currently I don't have the setup. During the day, if there will be anything, I will maybe take it. But for now, in the between, I don't like to trade. That's not setup that I'm waiting for. USD CAD, this one will be as well on my radar. It looks interesting. This is very corrective structure. This is very corrective structure, and we will see. We will see. Definitely, I will be monitoring that one as well. Good one. Come on. Okay, so this is the move over there. This is the move. Bitcoin is slowly pushing lower and lower. Yesterday we were discussing about this sell over there, and then going lower. It still didn't develop a strong momentum, strong move to the downside. So we will see. Very slow still. Very slow. Maybe it can extend as well. Possible movement that I see over there is this one. This and this is the ABC, and now it's going higher, and it will go lower. This is much bigger correction than for the downside. Possible move. Possible move. I'm not trading it. Literally. I'm not in this trade. I'm not trading Bitcoin. So I'm just analyzing for you. But why is it at the top of my watch list? God damn it. I don't trade it, so it's supposed to not be there. If I don't trade, I don't have it at the top of the watch list. These trades at the top are the trades that I am monitoring. Something that I'm watching. Poundcat. Oh, sorry. Amazing trade. I took it. I took the trade. I took the profit already. I took some of the profit. I didn't completely remove the position. I took some of it. My enter was from the top over there. I took it somewhere there. I removed some of the profits. Now I'm still waiting to see what the price is going to do. And I will even remove the rest of the position. We'll see. But very nice movement. I like when charts move that fast so I can make money faster. Everyone loves to see profits faster than the trades that are in drawdown. These trades are emotionally kind of difficult. They are not sometimes difficult, but definitely the setups that are in minus, that are in drawdown, and the trades that are in drawdown are much difficult to watch than the trades that are going immediately profit, of course. So that's the reason why I love this type of the trade, this type of moves when they just move. They are aggressive. We nailed it yesterday. Very nice. Nailed the movement. It's very nice when you understand the chart like that. That's crazy. I nailed it totally and it feels so nice. So let's take a look. Let's take a look. So this was we were talking about EuroCAD, yes, so I forgot to mention. I called this one break even. This was the break even trade because I wanted to go more. It didn't. It just started to reverse and it went lower. This one went lower, took me out at the break even. So yeah, this is something that Instagram, TikTok, your USD are that going down. A good one. I'm just looking at what we were watching yesterday. Perfect moves, perfect. Yeah, this is the NFP. USD cat anticipated this movement. Bitcoin USD, yeah, this is the move. This Bitcoin movement that I was talking yesterday about, this is still in play. This is still in play. It could happen because It's complex and it doesn't move with the speed that I want. It doesn't have the momentum. So if we are going to watch, this one, Bitcoin, where is it? It seriously doesn't move as it should move. Look at that one. No volatility at all. That shouldn't be if this stop there going lower and then it doesn't continue back to that low, then this could definitely go for this middle movement, the orange one which I was showing on the video. Because this part over there, it's 1, 2, and 3. Okay, and this will be 1, this will be 2, and this will be 3, and then it will go down. So this is the reason. No volatility just because of this hidden movement. That's the hidden movement that you have to understand. I'm understanding why it doesn't move, because there's the missing puzzle that needs to develop before it can go. So that's the reason for no momentum, no volatility on the spot where it stands right now. Complicated way. Yeah. Very good. And Bitcoin has still this. So this is the downside. Yeah, look at that one. Where is it? Come on. You can. Maybe I should have taken profit over there yesterday, but I didn't. That shouldn't be the problem. No self-sabotaging belief, definitely. I shouldn't self-sabotage myself. Man. Where's the punk at? Tom does on the what's the truth? I didn't take anything over there. Plus at the break even. Was yeah, no, I didn't trade this one. How? I'm not agree. Very still. I will be. Maybe I should. Live. I was showing some of the pound cat. That's a good learning example. If in case anyone wants to learn something, I think this will be the moment. Yeah. The XY went a little bit lower. That's as anticipated, and then went in that pullback. So this was maybe. I didn't trade the reversal over there. Maybe I should. Oh, there it is. Look at that one. Wonderful. This one is the wonderful movement forecasted over there on the pocket. Very nice. Very nice move. Very nice flag pattern over there. Complex flag pattern. It's developing over there. After the news, I would see their reactions. It actually happens after the news, when news were released. Then Poundcat started to move with very good speed, and this is the moment where I have found the entry. My criteria for entry was met exactly at that point after the news release. I never took trade during the news or before the news. I'm always waiting for the news to be released, and then I am searching for setup and then trigger the trade in case if setup and my criteria it's met. If not, then I just leave it. But definitely wonderful trade. Wonderful. I will definitely not be opening any new trades currently right now. That would not make sense to me. Or during the NFP, just after. There actually it's the same puzzle that I'm always seeing. Correction in the correction. That's very common thing. That's similar as Bitcoin is currently doing. Poundcat has that kind of the movement, structure in structure. But Bitcoin is the same, but in different visuals were on PoundCat. So where is it? PoundCat 4 hour? Yeah, this one. It's correction in the correction. It went up, it went in the pullback, and then this everything together. It's correction in the correction. This is 1, 2, 3 to the downside, and 1, 2, 3 to the upside. This is the 1, 2, 3 to the downside. That's very simple logic that I'm currently following. For this 1/3 of the last position, last small profit that I left on the table, will be probably taken. I just have to observe now the price, how it will react there. But I think it will not react. It will not go back at the top. At least I hope so. If it does, if it tries to goes, then I will spot it, I will see it, and then I will take the rest of the profit that I have. But this the maximum has been already taken off, so maximum profit has been already released. Very good one. Good one. I don't know. Do we have any news for that today? I didn't watch it. I didn't watch it at all. No, nothing. New Zealand at the evening, so nothing special. Nothing special. Yeah. How about tomorrow? What's tomorrow? Thursday? Yeah. Ooh. There will be manipulators in action. Let's call it. Call them like that. Pound at 1 p.m. my time. Then again, pound at 1:30. 250 euro again. Oh, a lot of news. Pound and euro. And then dollar, of course. An ACB press conference as well. Interesting one. Interesting. I don't want to know what they are talking on this news because I never listen to news. News are something that I just don't like because I believe that they are fake, they are liars, and everything that's written there is just the assumption. These numbers and everything, these are still the forecasts. I never understand people when they say that they are relying exactly on those numbers and then they are trading literally the numbers of the fundamentals. Because how is this reliable? How is this better than my analysis? That's something that I can't understand. If someone that's predicting news or fundamentals, how is this not the same as my analysis? So we both are guessing, and you are relying then on their guess instead of your guess. So if they are wrong, you can at least blame someone else instead of yourself. That's the only difference that I see over there by relying and trading on fundamentals. There isn't any other difference. I saw that couple of times when I was watching those news, those numbers. They they confused me a little bit because, for example, it happened that fundamentals were saying, I don't know, dollar to become stronger. My analysis was the dollar to become weaker, and then I didn't trade my analysis for sell on dollar because I gave the fundamentals more power, more value than my analysis, and I didn't trade. And I realized that I was right, that the dollar will weaken instead of them who were forecasting for the fundamentals to be stronger dollar. That was crazy. They just confused me, and I was some sort of angry when I saw that when that happened to me, because I started to blame myself. What kind of idiot that I am, that I'm not relying on my analysis and my news, and then I'm listening to some fundamentals. That's the same as if I will find someone somewhere on TikTok, for example, talking about some trading idea, for example, euro dollar to go lower, and then I will be trading this trading idea which I have found on TikTok, then I should feel like an idiot, because I deserve to feel like idiot, because I'm trading someone else's trading setup but with not understanding it. That's craziness. It will just confuse me, and then I will be just jumping around, changing strategies constantly, and oh gosh, that could be dangerous. But it did happen. That's why I'm not anymore watching anyone anywhere, any trader. It's something that I'm not interested, because it confuses me. It confuses my confidence when I should be selling it. I'm not selling because someone said it will go up, for example, and then I miss my wonderful, beautiful trade, which will give me a lot of money. And that happened just because I've become confused from someone else's trading idea and talking about trades. Oh my gosh, that could be dangerous. Then this is something that I would never ever do again. Never. Literally bullshit. Pound cat. Funny man. If I am watching it objectively and observing with objective state of mind, then I can say it is reacting with the candles that I don't want to see. But I should give him some more time. Candle looks strong. Candle is strong currently. That's good that I took most of the profits at the bottom. Where's my line over there? This is good. Now this is 1/3 of the position. It's still there. I don't think this can reverse totally, but I shouldn't be thinking. I know that I should watch candles. with not having an opinion about the market. Interesting. I have to watch it to make a decision. I think it will go down more, but I don't like the momentum. I don't like how aggressive those candles are. They're strong. Hmm. Hello, evening. There is not evening, but yeah, good evening to you. There's not evening in my time. It's middle of the day. But yeah, welcome, welcome. Where have you been? Every day is not equal. Yeah, it's not equal, but definitely there is the way to make money. Almost every day. This was basically the yesterday trade. Today I didn't find any yet for now. I will leave this one. I will not take the last 1/3 of the profit. No, that at least 1 more hour. It's something that I will give over there before I will make a trading decision, before I will be taking profits. Yeah. But gosh, those candles are fucking strong. Fucking strong candles. If this candle closes like that, then I will be taking profit. I would rather sell it again than leave it open. We'll see. 20 minutes left. New York session can be interesting one. We will see, yeah.